In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude Code to Kajabi. This connection is usually done through Kajabi's MCP connector, which lets Claude work more like a built-in assistant inside your Kajabi setup. Once connected, you can use simple prompts to help create course content, write email sequences, and draft landing pages more efficiently. To get started, open Claude in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and select the Sign In option and log into your account. Once you're inside Claude, look for the Customize area. This is where Claude's settings and connected tools are managed. Inside Customize, click on Connectors. On that page, choose Add Custom Connector. You'll be asked to enter the connector details manually, so in the name field, type Kajabi. This helps you label the connection clearly so it's easy to recognize later. Next, enter the Kajabi MCP URL. The URL you'll use is https://mcp.kajabi.com/mcp. Be careful to type it exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After that, click Add to save the custom connector. Once the connector appears in your list, click Connect. This will start the authorization process and redirect you to Kajabi so Claude can request access. On the Kajabi authorization screen, review the access request, then continue by authorizing access. After that, click Approve to finish the connection. When the approval is complete, Claude and Kajabi will be linked. From there, in any new Claude chat, open the Tools or Attachment menu and enable the Kajabi connector before you start prompting. That final step is important because adding the connector in settings makes it available, but enabling it in the chat is what allows Claude to actually use it. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude Code to Kajabi, and you're ready to start using Claude as a co-pilot inside your Kajabi workflow.